So what is the amplitude? Amplitude is the maximum displacement, how much it can move. How much it can move. That is its amplitude. And if I ask you what is wavelength, wavelength is what from here to how much it will go, that is its wavelength. From here it came till here. So this is its wavelength. From here till here. This is the wavelength. The wavelength, how much it completes. This complete set is a pendulum. And this heavy mass, this ball is known as ball. What is called this ball? Ball. Yes. Now, when the pendulum takes rest, its initial position is known as mean position. Okay, no?
Yes.
When you turn it from this mean position, how much you displace? This one is its mean position. You mark it here. How much distance you turn it from this mean position? That is its amplitude. After releasing also, it will go on the other side by the same amplitude. Okay, now?
Yes.
And the number of oscillation takes place in 1 second or per unit time. Is called its frequency. Okay, now how much vibrations or how much oscillation it takes place per unit time or in 1 second. That is its frequency. Now here, the oscillation of the pendulum, it doesn't depend on the mass of the ball. Okay, now if the length increases, then the oscillation will become slower. When the length of the string increases, then the oscillation speed will decrease. And on shortening the length, if you reduce the length, then it will oscillate very fast. Okay, now if you increase the length, then the speed, the time period increases. Now it becomes slower. Clear now? So from this mean position, this highest displacement is its amplitude. Okay, now? So time period, what is the time period then? It is the time taken by a ball to complete one oscillation. From here to here going, it is half oscillation. 1 second when it is coming here, then it is called one complete oscillation. And that time period we are counting in doing our or in marking our observations or readings. Okay, now?
Okay.
This is the mean position. From here we are turning here. So it is going here and coming here one oscillation. So what is the time period? It is the time taken by a ball to complete one oscillation. Going and coming. To and fro movement is called oscillation. Okay, now? And what is the definition of simple pendulum? A simple pendulum, it consists of heavy metallic ball connected with a long string and supported by a rigid support. Okay, now? And it can free to move. It can free to move. That is a pendulum.